Hi Carter, hi Alden. Got something to show you. This is a tree. You know that already, you know what a tree is. But you see how small it is? This tree is pretty small. But someday it's going to grow up to be a big tree. Now this is a big tree. This is the size tree that Grandpa and Grandma used when they make toys. We take a big tree like this and we have the lumberman, the woodcutter, cut it down. And then we're going to make it into some toys. Now here is a tree that's been cut down. So you can see it's in a smaller piece. Now Grandpa can cut up this smaller piece to make some furniture like a table or a chair or toys. So now we cut this wood into smaller pieces and we can draw designs on there. And I'm going to cut this out. You got to be really careful. I've got to wear my safety glasses. That's how I start cutting out a car. So I got the car cut out a little bit. I'm going to go over to the sander. Come on over here. Now I'm sanding. When you sand it, it makes it really smooth. And now I'm going to drill. I have to drill holes so that we can put wheels on it. Okay, I drilled holes, and now we're going to put some wheels on it, and pretty soon we're going to have a toy.
Now Grandpa's got it all cut out, and I'm ready to paint it for you and Alden.
Psst, psst, psst. Wow, that's cool. Awesome.
How do you like it?
Let's do another one. Finish this one. Wow. Grandma's a good painter.
Yep. We did this for you guys.
Psst, psst, psst. So there we are. Me and Grandma made some toys, and Grandma's going to give them to you right now. I hope you like them.
We
I'm sorry.
love you.
Yeah, we love you. And I'm sorry I can't be there with you. But anyway, have a good time and call me on the phone.